Now we're going to go on to a game called Film, Theater, and Television Styles. This is for Ryan and Colin, and they're going to act out a scene, and we here in the audience, we're going to give them different film, theater, and television styles to act out in. What I need from the audience is different styles of television. Shakespeare. Mine doesn't really work good on a show with microphones. Disaster, horror, one-man show won't work because it's porno's a good one. Whoever's seen porno. Okay, that's enough. We can go. Okay, your scene is Colin suspects his rival Ryan of cheating in a fly fishing competition. And you're going to start out like normal, and I'll put in these different styles as you get going.
Excuse me,
Yes.
I hope you don't think I'm being forward, but I think you're cheating.
I hope you have some proof to back that up.
Well, all those fish with the big holes in their gullets.
Western movie.
That's right, I shot them. Because they were no good fish.
That fish was my paw!
I should have known you look like a guppy. I didn't know you guppy boys were back in town.
Them's fighting words, Stretch.
Disaster.
My God. All the water in the pond. It's going. The fish are just lying on the beach.
And they're bursting into flame!
And the ground's starting to shake.
Meteor! There's only one hope!
Run from side to side?
Yes!
Porno.
I'm all sweaty.
Yes, you are. Let me grab something I can dry you off with. Wow. You're all tense.
You have very strong hands. Are you a plumber?
That's plenty. That's great. That's it. Thank you. Very nice. 100 points to Ryan for making me think of him naked.